Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm making I'm making a transition video. I'm making a transformation video right now. So if you haven't already, make sure you go watch that video. But I'm really showing y'all how to get curly dreads. So we're gonna make these into two separate videos at the same time. So all I'm doing now is I had two-strand twist before. All I'm doing is undoing the two-strand twist. If y'all wanna make sure y'all go watch my two-strand twist video so y'all can see like how I got my two-strand twist. But today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to get curly dreads, and I'm gonna be showing y'all the before and the after of curly dreads and stuff like that. But I mean, it's very simple. All you gotta do is undo your two-strand twist. So hey, so look, if you're watching the curly dread tutorial right now, what I need you to do is hit that like button down below right now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, right? And don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, first link in the description. All right, I currently need another rubber band, so that's what I'm going to get, because nigga, you can't just keep having one. All I'm doing right now is I'm just pulling them out, bro. If they break off, they break off. I don't care. They just need to get out my hair. Yo, if you're watching this transformation video and you like haven't hit that subscribe button, if you haven't hit that like button for me down below, what are you doing? Like, if you haven't subscribed to my second channel, what are you doing? You get what I'm saying? Like, make sure you hit the like on the like button. Like, I'm doing this specifically for y'all. Like, I could have kept these two-strand twists in for like I'll say a whole nother month. No cap. Man, the process taking longer than I thought. So I'm gonna come back with y'all. I'm not gonna record like 50 minutes. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna come back to y'all, and yeah, we're gonna continue the tutorial. This is my curly dread tutorial. And if y'all haven't known already, bro, like, I had my dreads for 2 years already. And shit, these bitches hurt. Like, this shit hurt. But I had my dreads in for like 2 years already, right? And like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you go watch my two-strand twister done. And that's not really the main reason. The main reason really taking my two-strand twist out, because I want to do more tutorials on the two-strand twist, and maybe even try to do my own two-strand twist one day. I really don't feel like doing that shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I want to try to do that shit one day. You feel me? And yeah, man, that's the real end. It's more content for y'all. So that's the whole reason I am taking out my two-strand twist. That's the main reason. You know what I'm saying? Another reason is, shit, I had these in for like 2 months. You get what I'm saying? So it's time to see my hair. Like, I haven't seen my hair since my retwist. Before my retwist, like, I haven't seen like the growth of my hair or nothing. So that's really like one of the main reasons. That's another reason why I'm taking these jokers out. Another reason is the rubber bands keep popping off. You feel me? But I said all this stuff in my two-strand twist video. My two-strand twist are done video, so make sure you go check that video out for more information. Like I said before though, for the tutorial on the two-strand twist that's in my head currently, I videotaped it. You know what I'm saying? Currently it's at like 8.6 thousand views right now. So make sure y'all go check that out. I will actually have it link in the description or on the screen right now, but definitely link in the description for y'all to go check that out. Also, I do have a second channel where I'll be posting vlogs, pranks, challenges, all that type of stuff, man. A lot of people tell me to post my challenges and stuff like that on this channel, but I feel like I know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm keeping this channel like very niche based. Like, I don't want to hop around. Like, I feel like that's how your views get messed up, is when you hop around. That's how you lose people, because people don't really know, like, are you doing hair, or like what are you doing? You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna stick to hair like on this channel for right now. You feel me? Maybe I'll come up with some god damn, I just pulled out a lot of hair. Maybe I'll come up with some maybe like in the future, sometimes this channel will become like a lifestyle vlogging type channel. You get what I'm saying? Then my other channel gonna come like challenges and stuff like that. But for right now, bro, this is the hair channel, and then that's like over there, it's like the lifestyle vlog, challenges, pranks, all that type of stuff, right? Gotta reposition my hair, bro, because like, you know, sometimes when you're doing your hair, well, you don't want to get lost, basically. That's all I'm trying to say. Like I almost just did. You don't want to get lost, man, because we done a lot of dreads. I don't even know how many dreads I got left, but pretty much got my back left. I might get a, I'm about to go get a side rubber band right quick, so I'll be right back. We basically gonna continue doing the same thing, but now we got 2 rubber bands. And this rubber band tighter than a motherfucker. I'm already knowing what I'm about to have to do. Cut your ass. You too tight. Alright, so my right side is currently done. Whew, I'm tired of this bitch. The ones in the back should definitely be easier to come out, cause like, come on now, like I've been laying on them. When you do shit like this, bro, your arm get tired, bro. Swear to God, I'd rather just pay somebody to. That's why I like paying people to like retwist my shit, cause I don't like this shit be tiring, like the work that go into this shit. All right, y'all, so basically, I've been recording for like 30 minutes now. I'm just gonna come back to y'all with the results of the curly hair. But yeah, so if you haven't already, make sure you go watch my previous video where it's like a whole transformation video, so like that. Basically a transformation vlog, you dig what I'm saying? So where I transform my hair in one day. You get what I'm saying? So make sure y'all go check that out too. Make sure y'all just check out the whole channel, bro. No cap, we grinding. You feel me? 100K soon. Yo, focus. Alright, so look, man, we stayed up, you know what I'm saying? I had to charge my camera up, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, bro, I was recording for like 30 minutes. I had like the whole process, the whole curling process took 30 minutes for me to just actually take down the hair. But obviously it came out pretty well, you know what I'm saying? I still got the seashell in, like I think we're gonna keep the seashell in for a trademark or something, I don't know. But that's how we gonna do it, that's how we gonna rock it, you dig what I'm saying? At the same time though, I still got this rubber band on my head, so I'm about to take the rubber band off for y'all, so y'all can like see. But I mean, it's the same thing, bro, you feel me? Of course it's gonna pop up a little bit, like my hair is gonna pop up a little bit. It was just a rubber band, but all of it's gonna fall down. Give me like a couple days, probably like 1 or 2 days, like all of my hair is gonna fall down. All of it's gonna be the same length, all that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like right now it's extremely curly, but like in a couple days or so, it'll be straight. Yo, I know I just didn't keep 1 2-strand twisting, that's crazy. But but now I'm at like the whole process, and like at the same time, bro, I'm going to keep my hairstyle in like a 1 ponytail, just because it's a simple fact. I don't like, hold on, let me do this real quick. Ah, that hurt. I got a haircut, right? So you can't really see the haircut without it being in a ponytail or something like that, right? Because otherwise, like my dreads are in my face and stuff like that. So we're gonna stick with the 1 ponytail up top, and y'all gonna be seeing this for a couple videos. You dig what I'm saying? Hold up, let me fresh up the line right quick. The line up really quick. Y'all know I barely get haircuts, bro. Like no cap, I get haircuts like once a month. No cap. Cause to me, it be on some like I'm not about to waste. Like a lot of people that get weekly haircuts, right? So it's 4 weeks in a month. I'm sorry, like you can tell in my eyes, like I'm kind of sleepy, right? So it's 4 weeks in a month, right? So in a month, you don't spend $120 in 1 month, and that's nothing. That's okay. That's nothing to you, okay? But times that by 12, you spending $1,400 on haircuts a year. Like me, that can't be me. Like you could put $1,400 somewhere else. That's just how my mind thinks. So you know what I'm saying? So every now and then I get a haircut if I need it, or if I'm going somewhere. Of course, like today I'm gonna try to go to the mall and try to get some public interviews in. If somebody down, like if ain't nobody down, then I'm gonna stay home, do my homework and all that type of stuff. And I'm gonna like probably catch up on videos for y'all, cause like I ain't came out with the video in like 2 or 3 days. You know what I'm saying? That's not me. You know what I'm saying? That's definitely not me. I'm definitely trying to be more consistent. And I have been more consistent over like the past week. In the past week, bro, we've grown. Like the view count and the sub count has been growing. I'm gonna be updating y'all about thinning dreads and all that type of stuff since we got our hair down. Another dread journey. We got a lot of stuff coming through. You dig what I'm saying? We got a whole bunch of stuff coming through. So make sure that like button down below. Make sure that subscribe button. Don't forget to go check out my second channel first. First link in the description. Vlogs, challenges, pranks, all that type of stuff. So make sure you go check that out right now. And yeah, let's shit. Follow all my social medias. I'm gonna catch y'all for this later, bro. Peace.